Hi, this is Kausalya. Today we are going to see a topic about IoT sensors. So what is sensors? The sensors are the very essential components for the Internet of Things. They collect data about physical world, enabling smart devices to interact with their surroundings and make decisions. So these devices convert the physical parameter into a signal which can be measured electrically. So these are widely used in the factory environment and can also be found in everyday items at our home. These are different. There are different type of sensors we do have. They can be used to determine proximity, heat, speed, and much more. Next, actuators. It is a device that converts an electrical signal into a physical action such as motion, rotation, or force. So, role in IoT, while sensors collect data, actuators perform actions based on commands. Example like turning on motor when soil is dry. Coming to next, what are the types of actuators? Electrical actuators like motors and solenoids. Hydraulic use fluids. Pneumatic actuators. Example DC motor, relay, servo motor, and valve actuator. Next, how actuators working in IoT. So first, it receives control signals from an IoT system and use a source of energy to perform mechanical operations. Example, a temperature sensor might detect a rise in room temperature, prompting the actuator to activate an air conditioning system. Next, the working principle of sensors. First thing it do is detection. Next thing is sensor detect a physical quantity like temperature, motion or light. The next thing here happens is conversion. This converts this physical quantity into an electrical signal. Next is processing. The signal is then analyzed or used to trigger a specific action. Example, the temperature sensor in your air condition measures the room's heat. If it is too warm, the system adjusts to cool the room. Simple and effective. So here are the types of sensors: temperature, humidity, various types of sensors. We know temperature sensors can be analog or digital. In analog temperature sensor, the changes in the temperature correspond to change in its physical property like resistance or voltage. The example LM35 is a classic analog temperature sensor. Coming to the digital temperature sensor, output is a discrete digital value. Some numerical value here. After converting it to analog value to digital value, we read display readings in digital. Example DS18B20 is a simple digital temperature sensor. Next here is proximity sensor. It is a non-contact type sensor that detects the presence of objects. So some of the applications here are mobile phones, industries, ground proximity in aircrafts, etc. Next is motion sensor. It is perfect for security systems. These sensors detect movement. They are widely used in home automation, security cameras, automatic doors. The next thing is pressure sensor. So they are used in industries and medical devices. These sensors measure force and are commonly used in tire pressure monitor and blood pressure machines. So next thing is light sensors. These sensors measure light level and are used in smartphones for auto brightness, street lights for automatic dimming. These works by photoelectric effect. Next is IR sensors. They detect infrared radiation emitted by objects even in low light conditions. Useful for proximity detection, object tracking and remote control applications. So how these IR sensor work means the emission detection technique is used. Whether it emits or senses infrared light, whether an object is detected. In simple words, the active IR sensors will literally emit an IR beam if considered it to be target within the range. Next, this is the diagram of IR sensor module. Next, a sound and vibration sensor. Microphones capture sound waves, noise assistant, noise monitoring, and audio recording devices. Accelerometers measure acceleration and tilt, detecting vibrations and shocks. Next is a piezoelectric sensor detects vibration. Next, biosensors. It measures biological signal like blood glucose level, heart rate, and oxygen saturation. They are widely used in medical diagnostic health monitoring. Next, biometric are used to identify facial recognition, fingerprints, iris scan, etc. Coming to the applications, where are these sensors here widely used means it is used in smart homes, industrial automation, healthcare, environmental monitoring, data security and privacy, and interoperability. So these are the question forum. First is what is a sensor? Give two examples commonly used in IoT projects. What is the difference between sensor and an actuator? List any three types of sensors that can be connected to an ESP32. What is ESP32 and why it is popular in IoT application? What are the GPIO pins in ESP32 and why are they important? What is IoT? Give one simple real world application. Thank you.